In this video, I will show you how you can activate voice command on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your Samsung phone. Now as you can see, it is already installed on our Samsung phone. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now on this page, just tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Now under Interaction and Dexterity, you will find the option for voice access. Now just tap on it and enable the toggle for voice access shortcut. Then tap on Continue and select Allow. After you do that, then just tap on voice access shortcut, and from here just select where you want to see the shortcut. As you can see, it is currently as an accessibility button on the screen, but you can change it to press the side and volume up button together, or you can select press and hold the volume buttons for 3 seconds. I will leave it as the accessibility button. Now after you do that, then just go back and tap on the accessibility button over here. Then tap on Continue and select while using the app. Then tap on Download and select Download. And just select Agree, then tap on Allow. And after you do that, you will be able to use your voice to control your Samsung phone. Go to home screen. Open YouTube. Go to home screen. Swipe left. Swipe right. And this is how you can activate voice command on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.